So I would request you to please be here. Arman Khan, please can come on the stage. And I would like to request our celebrity guest, actor and producer, Mr. Arbaz Khan, to please join us on the stage. Thank you. We would like to give token of thanks. I will write a few words.
Good evening, everyone. It's very nice to see such a great gathering, and I'm extremely happy and excited to be part of this event. It's always a pleasure to be here in Dubai, never a dull moment, and like I said, just being in the dais with such a great gentleman, and thank you for such an informative bit, because we all need to be very, very aware of what the future holds. And I think this event is purely for the fact that we get a little conscious of what we need to do in the future so that we can make some great strides and make this world a better place to live in. So congratulations to Z, Verman, and everybody over here who has been part and very supportive for such a great cause. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we would like to continue our session now onwards to felicitate few guests and guest of honors. I would request our anchor, Iram, to please come on stage and
thank you, sir. Let's begin with the felicitation ceremony, and for that, I would like to invite our prestigious guest. I would like to invite Mr. Majid Khan on stage, please. Group CEO, NK Media, and a huge round of applause. Your presence is valuable, sir. Thank you so much for being here.
आगे भाई आगे हाइडर फॉलो मेरे को मत लो
A huge round of applause there.